How to complete ID verification on X. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your identity using the X app. First, open the X app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed in. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now, look for the Your Account and tap Account Information section. Depending on your account and the verification process available to you, look for an option related to identity verification or verify your identity. Tap the verification option to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide the required information. If X asks you to verify your identity using a government-issued ID, prepare a valid document, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Follow the instructions to take clear photos of your ID and complete any additional verification steps, such as a selfie. Make sure the information and photos are clear and match the details on your account. Once you've submitted the verification, wait for X to review your information. The verification process may take some time. If the ID verification option isn't available on your account, it may be because the feature isn't currently available for your account, region, or verification type. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your ID verification request on X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful X and social media tutorials.